Are you ready to take on a challenge that could change the course of your career in just 2 days? It might sound ambitious, even unbelievable, but the power to make this happen lies within you. This challenge isn't about sending out countless job applications or networking until you're exhausted. Instead, it's about using the creative power of your mind, your imagination, to bring about the result you desire. To begin this 2-day challenge, the first thing you must do is get clear on what you want. This might seem obvious, but too often, we have only a vague idea of what we desire. Clarity is crucial. Take a moment to think deeply about the job you want. Picture it in as much detail as possible. Where is the job located? What kind of company is it? What role are you playing? What are the specific tasks you are doing? How do you feel when you are working in this job? These details are essential because the more specific you are, the easier it is for your mind to align with that reality. Once you have this clear picture in your mind, it's time to move to the next step. Visualization. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools you have at your disposal. It's not just about seeing images in your mind, it's about experiencing the scene as if it's happening right now. Close your eyes and assume that you are in your desired job. Picture yourself sitting at your desk, interacting with colleagues, or completing a project. Engage all your senses. What does the room smell like? What do the surfaces feel like under your hands? What sounds do you hear? Immerse yourself fully in this experience. However, the real key to effective visualization is emotion. It's not enough to just see yourself in the role. You must feel the emotions that come with it. How do you feel knowing that you have landed your dream job? Are you excited, relieved, or proud? Let those emotions wash over you as you visualize. The stronger your emotions, the more powerful your visualization will be. This is because your emotions are the language of your subconscious mind, the part of you that has the power to manifest your desires into reality. After you've spent time visualizing, it's important to release your desire to the universe with faith and trust. This doesn't mean you stop wanting the job, but rather that you stop worrying about it. Trust that the universe, or your higher self, is working behind the scenes to bring your desire to you. Worrying or obsessing over the outcome creates resistance, which can delay the manifestation process. Instead, continue your day with the confidence that your job is already on its way to you. The next part of the challenge is to live as if you already have the job. This doesn't mean pretending in a superficial way, but rather carrying yourself with the confidence and assurance that the job is already yours. How would you walk, talk, and behave if you already had the job? Start incorporating these behaviors into your daily life. This alignment between your inner state and outer actions is a powerful signal to the universe that you are ready to receive what you desire. Affirmations can also be a helpful tool during this 2-day challenge. Choose a few affirmations that resonate with you and repeat them throughout the day. For example, you might say, "I am now employed in my dream job," or "The perfect job is coming to me now." The key to affirmations is repetition and emotion. Say them with feeling, as if they are already true, and let them reinforce the reality you are creating in your mind. Imagine landing your dream job in just 2 days. It might sound like a stretch, but the power to manifest your desired career is within your grasp. You possess an innate ability to shape your reality, and your job search is no exception. Let's dispel the myth that landing a dream job is solely dependent on your resume, experience, or luck. While these factors play a role, they are secondary to the power of your mind. Your thoughts are the architects of your reality, and by harnessing their potential, you can attract your dream job with astonishing speed. The secret lies in understanding that your consciousness is the sculptor of your experience. What you focus on, what you believe, and how you feel all contribute to the tapestry of your life. By mastering your thoughts, you gain dominion over your circumstances. Let go of the notion that limited job opportunities or stiff competition dictate your destiny. Instead, recognize that you are the captain of your job search. Your imagination is your compass, guiding you towards the shores of your desired career. Visualize yourself already in your dream job. Immerse yourself in the emotions associated with it. Allow yourself to bask in the sensations of fulfillment, excitement, and peace. This mental rehearsal primes your subconscious mind for manifestation, drawing your desires closer to fruition. Remember, the universe is a mirror reflecting your inner world. When you cultivate positivity, gratitude, and faith, the external world responds in kind. Challenges are not roadblocks, but opportunities for growth and variation. Think of them as stepping stones towards your ultimate career goals. Persistence is paramount. Keep your focus unwavering, even when faced with doubt or setbacks. Your desires are seeds planted in the fertile soil of your mind. With consistent nurturing, they will inevitably blossom into reality. Trust in the intelligence of the universe. It knows your path better than you do. Surrender to the flow and allow the magic of manifestation to unfold in its perfect timing. You are a divine being, capable of creating miracles. Unleash your inner power and watch as your dream job becomes your reality. The world awaits your brilliance. Gratitude is another powerful tool in this process. Begin and end each day with gratitude for the job you are about to receive. Gratitude raises your vibration and aligns you with the frequency of abundance. When you express gratitude for something before it has physically manifested, you are telling the universe that you trust it to deliver what you desire. This trust and positive expectation help to speed up the manifestation process. During this challenge, pay attention to any signs or synchronicities that may come your way. Often, when you align yourself with your desire, the universe responds by placing opportunities in your path. This might come in the form of a job posting that catches your eye, a contact reaching out to you with a lead, or even an intuitive nudge to apply somewhere unexpected. Be open and receptive to these signs, and act on them when they appear. One thing to keep in mind is that while this challenge is designed to manifest a job within 2 days, the exact timing may vary depending on various factors, including your level of belief and the alignment of circumstances. However, do not be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Sometimes, the manifestation process takes a bit longer as things align behind the scenes. The important thing is to maintain your faith and continue to align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desired outcome. As you go through this process, it's crucial to avoid falling into negative thinking or self-doubt. These negative states can create blocks that slow down the manifestation process. If you find yourself doubting, gently redirect your thoughts to your visualization and affirmations. Remind yourself of the power of your mind and the certainty that your desire is on its way to you. At the end of the 2 days, take a moment to reflect on the experience. Notice any shifts in your thoughts, emotions, or external circumstances. You might find that you have a new sense of confidence or that opportunities have started to present themselves. These are all signs that your manifestation is in progress. Continue to practice these techniques and watch as your desires unfold in ways that may surprise you. If you find these insights helpful and are excited about the potential to manifest your dream job, please take a moment to like this video. Your support helps others find this content, and it also signals to the universe that you are in alignment with the principles of manifestation. If you're serious about mastering these techniques and want to continue learning how to manifest your desires quickly and effectively, make sure to subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you'll stay connected and receive more valuable content that can help you create the life you want. For those of you who are eager to take control of your reality and make positive changes, subscribing is a must. Don't miss out on the latest insights and strategies that can help you achieve your goals. Hit that subscribe button now and join us on this exciting journey. If you think someone you know could benefit from this information, consider sharing this video with them. By sharing, you're helping to spread this knowledge and empowering others to take control of their lives and manifest their desires. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with this 2-day challenge. Leave a comment below to share your successes, ask questions, or connect with others who are also on this path. Your feedback is important and can inspire others to keep going. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Keep practicing these techniques and watch as your desires come to fruition with ease and speed.